Well, good morning, everybody. We are headed out of here on our way to Orlando. We got to go get one of our machines. I'm a little later than I wanted to be. I wanted to be on the road an hour ago. That way I could have beaten the I-4 traffic. But yesterday beat the heck out of me. We moved those 4 machines, 3 loaders and that one big track hoe. It wasn't so much that, it was just the frickin' heat. I've been trying to get over a cold, flu, fever, whatever the heck you call it, head congestion, and I was just flat out whooped. So I was a little slow moving around today, but that's all right. We'll get it. I'll have to deal with some traffic. So I know I've shown you before, but here's what I'm talking about. If I would have gotten on this road an hour ago, I'd be gone. This wouldn't have happened. So Davenport's that way. They call that 4 Corners that way. Big intersection right here. Everybody's trying to get to Orlando or Tampa, mostly Orlando. And it's just a flood of traffic onto this road. Right ahead of us is another one called Champions Gate. Same thing, just flooding in. And you just can't go anywhere. And then by the time when you get to Orlando, it actually picks up a little bit just before Orlando. And then headed into and going through Orlando, it just all kind of shuts back down again. Well, folks, we have arrived. There's an airport here. This is my first time being on this job. A little private airport of some sort. My guys have been here pouring curb. I just haven't made it up here yet. Took us a little over an hour to get here. I have yet to actually find the job site. This thing's still leading me in a mile. Wow. And there's your old curb machine. Hey, buddy. Anyway, we'll work on getting backed in here, unhooked, loaded up, and move to Lakeland. All right, well, we're detached. Let me throw my ramps down. Set my little curb machine ramp up. I don't know what I did to my left elbow yesterday, but dog it, it hurts. These guys, man, never have it right. Left trash on the machine, didn't tie down the canopy, left the track out. What part of have it ready to mobilize do they not effing understand? Gotta get all these servos and stuff turned off. Got to hit the button one time to charge get the machine charging. Not charging alternator wise, but get it firing up. Got to push that button, then we can crank it. Then we got to wait for the computer to get going. Well, we are loaded and getting out of here. My GoPro, it shut off on me during that event. Probably 4 or 5 times, saying that it's overheating. I mean, it's a little after 9 o'clock. And my truck says it's 100 degrees. But me and these guys out here aren't falling out. Why is my GoPro falling out? So if
turn the first left onto West Orange Blossom Trail.
I may have to investigate and do something other than GoPro, because that's annoying. It's hard enough work trying to do what we're doing and then have the GoPro keep turning off on you. Anyway, we're gonna go find a truck stop, put some fuel in this curb machine, drop it off on a job, and see what's next. Yeah, we're up here getting fuel in this old girl. No way. Oh man, I stopped for nothing. I should have, it was almost full. Oh well, they'll be full now. I try to bring it to them full every time for a couple different reasons. Makes it easier on them. When it makes it easier on them, where's my gloves? Gosh dog it. When it makes it easier on them, that makes it easier on my payroll. Number one. Number two, they don't have to shuttle fuel with cans, which can contaminate the fuel. So, we try to bring it to them full. Should we jump? We're here at the racetrack in Davenport. I stop at the racetrack because these fuel islands are not always empty, but at least easy access. Like the Pilot down the road and the Loves. Good gosh almighty. You could sit there 45 minutes waiting on fuel. You can get in and out of here pretty easy. They got a bigger parking lot. Good truck access. Who would have ever thought of something like that at a truck stop? And the one thing about it, though, their food is, I don't like any of their food. But you can run in here and get a snack and keep moving. They got the typical hot dogs and pizzas and stuff. But No, that's, I don't care for that. I try to stay away from it. But we're gonna run in here and get a snack and go deliver this machine. Come on. Well, we got her pulled apart. I almost dare not get the GoPro out here. I think GoPros might be made for indoor activities only. We'll see if it overheats this time. But all we got to do is unload it. Gotta wait for the little computer to fire up. Gotta turn the servos on. Lift the machine. And next, don't fall off the trailer. Bigger into rabbit. Wascally wabbit.
A few moments later.
That's it. She's done. Well, she's here. She's landed. Well, look, this camera's still on. Feels a little warm. Might still be on. Missing some bolts here. Need to put some bolts in it before I lose that wood. That wood on that trailer is freaking expensive. Can't remember the name of it. Begins with a P, I believe. Doesn't matter, it's expensive. All right. We're gonna get hooked up. Well, I don't know if you guys remember the skid steer Kubota that we picked up from Kubota the other day, but when I dropped it off, it seemed very sluggish, but it's not a piece of machinery that I run every day, so I wasn't sure. It's sluggish. We are here to pick it back up, take it back to Kubota. They said it barely runs. Got a dozer to move yet, but they did say Monday is fine. It's been a long week. Been hot, sick. I am ready for the weekend. Y'all know me, normally I never put off a job. This dozer may get put off till Monday. It's freaking hot. Kind of over it. Bastard. I could hear it and I knew it didn't go. Alright, we're gonna get hooked up here, go inside, try not to argue with them, let them know they're costing my client money. I'm definitely gonna do that. Gotta look out for your clients, man, because if they ain't making money, I ain't making money. So anyway, that's what we're gonna do. Well, folks, that wraps up the big truck for the week. It's been a heck of a week. Been busy. Having that virus didn't help, especially with the heat. I might go relax a little bit and get the tractor out and work on some of this stuff now that I'm feeling a little better. Now I can detach the low boy, move the boat trailer over and rehook up. I might do that here today. But anyway, I may film some of that, I may not. I may not even do it at all, but as far as trucking's concerned, appreciate y'all tuning in, and we'll see you next time.